Do acne scars make you want to hide your face? Have you wasted money on products that just don't seem to work? Well, you can finally say goodbye to discolored, textured scars by using simple ingredients from your kitchen. In this video, I'll share my proven home remedies to naturally erase acne scars and get clear, even-toned skin. Introduction. Hi everyone. In today's video we are tackling how to get rid of acne scars with natural home remedies. Whether you have scars left over from cystic acne or just some random breakouts, these DIY solutions can help minimize and fade the appearance of scars over time without an expensive trip to the dermatologist. The best part is, these remedies use gentle, soothing ingredients you probably already have at home. Body. Aloe vera. This miraculous plant contains healing properties that help repair damaged skin and regenerate new cells. It also contains antioxidants and vitamins that boost collagen production to fade scars. Break off a leaf, extract the clear gel and apply it directly on clean skin. Massage it into your scars for 2 to 3 minutes. The nutrients will sink in and get to work revitalizing your skin. Apply fresh aloe vera gel daily for at least a month to see results. Baking soda. This common pantry staple is a gentle skin exfoliant that sloughs off dead cells and evens out texture. Make a paste with a bit of water, then use your fingers to gently massage it into your scars using circular motions. Let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing. The baking soda will buff away dull skin so your scars blend in better with the rest of your face. Do this 2 to 3 times per week to see a difference. Lemon juice. Citrus fruits like lemons contain alpha-hydroxy acids that help dissolve scar tissue and lighten discoloration. Dip a cotton ball in fresh lemon juice and dab it directly onto your scars. Let it sit for 10 minutes so the skin absorbs the acids. The tingling sensation means it's working. Rinse and apply a moisturizer. Repeat daily and your scars will start fading within a few weeks. Raw honey. This antioxidant-rich nectar moisturizes skin while its enzymes gently exfoliate. Rub a dab of raw, unprocessed honey over your scars and let it penetrate for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Honey is also naturally antibacterial, which helps prevent further breakouts as you heal your scars. Use this treatment 2 to 3 times per week. Using natural ingredients found in your pantry can make a surprisingly big difference in minimizing the appearance of acne scars. They may take a little time and consistency, but these remedies are far cheaper than laser treatments and cause zero redness or irritation. Give a few a try to get your skin looking clear and watch those scars fade away. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other home scar remedies I should try.